All right, so this is probably going to be the world's shortest how to build a barbecue video. I went ahead and took some of our footage from our La Mirada build and I chopped it up into a video. Some of the footage was vertical format, so I had to kind of force it in there. So forgive me on some of the crops. It's not the best footage, but enjoy. Thanks, guys. So step one on the barbecue build is getting the footing in place. And on this, you can see we have some drainage underneath it. You want to have drainage pop up underneath the build so you don't have any water trapped in there. These are the first couple courses of block, or actually I think that's all the courses of block. We went ahead and solid graded these so they're filled up with cement. We did go ahead and cement the inside floor there also down the road. I don't think I have that shown in this video. But as you can see, all the cutouts in the front are very precise. Depending on the equipment you buy, you want to make sure you have those obviously dialed in to a T of the exact widths of your fridge, your gas grill. In this case, we also had a little trash can on that side. I don't think I have footage of the final build with the components installed, but I will go ahead and include that in the future. So the guys are getting the forms in for all the concrete at this time, and as you can see, they also did the countertop form for that too. So this is going to be a concrete countertop. These concrete countertops are really becoming more popular. It's a nice substitute. It's a lot less expensive than throwing some granite in or some kind of stone. And it has kind of a nice modern industrial look to it. So it's kind of cool. I dig it. This is when the mud was still pretty fresh. And I think the guys jumped on this one a little bit early while the mud was still pretty wet. But yeah, it's kind of a satisfying process to see concrete get finished, as always. Starting to strip the forms there. The final finish on this was we used sponges, and we kind of did a light broom sponge finish on it. So it's kind of cool. It has like a light exposed look to it. This stone here is from MSI. So MSI is obviously a big resource for natural stone. This particular stone is also available at Home Depot, which I found out later. I believe it was called black ice or glacial black or something. It's kind of cool. It's mostly black with some gray and some white tones mixed in throughout it. It's a real natural stone, so that's cool. You know, if it gets chipped or hit, you won't have any cement showing through it. The guys here are facing the edge stones. So that's Enrique facing that edge stone. So on these edge pieces, any piece that's sticking out has a nice roughed up edge to it. It doesn't have a super clean cut. But this is the final product here. We came back later and sealed the stone. Right now we just took a hose to it so everything's wet. So as of right now, the stone is sealed. I'm talking about today as I'm talking, not in this image. And then next up, after the concrete cures a little more, we'll come seal the concrete. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.